Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Ajir video topic hoise agriculture, crop classification, kharif and rabi crops. Crop classification kole kebol kharif and rabi crops e nubujai. Okay? Crops puro classify kora hoise on the basis of life cycle of plants, on the basis of season, taxonomical classification and spatial classification. So ajir video tot ami discuss korim classification on the basis of season. So on the basis of season, crops puro tinta bhagot bhag kora hoise. Kharif crops, rabi crops and zaid crops. So first let us discuss about kharif crops. So kharif crops ki hoy? Junbur crops are sowing time naiba bij hisar time June July hoy aru harvesting time hoy October to November. Hebur crops ke koa hoy kharif crops. If your harvesting time to depend koribo crop duration upor. Kisman crops hunkale measured hoy jay aru kisman crops on time lage measured hoar kane. Okay, kintu sowing time to June July hoy. Ei June July time temperature to high thake aru borokhun thake. So ei period to temperature aru humidity to bahute important hoy kharif crops for grow kora kane. Aru jehetu June July to barikhar season kharif crops puro monsoon crops bulio koa hoy. Okay, so kharif crops or example bur hoise jene rice, maize, cotton, soybean, arahar. So ebur hoise common examples of kharif crops. So next hoise rabi crops. So what are rabi crops? So junbur crops are sowing time hoise October November aru harvesting time hoise March April. Hebur ke koa hoy rabi crops. So October November temperature to alopman low thake aru winter start hoy jay. So ei rabi crops puro winter crops bulio koa hoy. So examples of rabi crops hoise wheat, mustard, potato. So ebur hoise common examples of rabi crops. Now the question comes, rice to ki hoy? Rice to rabi crop ne kharif crop? So Okhomot rice to tinta season on grow kora hoy. Okay, rice is grown in 3 seasons, particularly in Assam. So rice to farmers bure direct sowing kore naiba kothia hisi transplanting kore. Okay, so jehetu rice is grown in 3 seasons, ki hoy ei rice bur? First hoise ahu rice. So ahu rice or sowing time hoise March April aru harvesting time hoise June July. Next ahe sali rice. So sali rice or sowing time June July aru harvesting time hoise November to December. So ei ahu rice aru sali rice or uporio Okhomot aru eta rice kore hetu hoise boro rice. So boro rice or sowing time hoise October November aru harvesting time hoise May June. So October November seed nursery kothia hisa hoy aru January March manor pra naiba February first week ei kothia bor transplanting kora hoy. Okay, so these are the 3 types of rice grown in Assam: ahu rice, sali rice and boro rice. So ami dekhilo jehetu rice to barikha to kora hoy Okhomot aru winter to kora hoy. So rice is both known as kharif crop as well as rabi crop. Okay, kharif aru rabi duita season ote rice to kora hoy. So ekhon page or eta screenshot loi thobo pare competitive exam ot agriculture jodi paper hoy tetia rice or upor ketiba question ahi jay. Okay, next etia kharif crops hoy gol, rabi crops hoy gol. Next comes zaid crops. Now what are zaid crops? Junbur crops are sowing time hoise March aru harvesting time hoise May June. Heburoke koa hoy zaid crops. So zaid crops puro generally kharif season aru rabi season or juntu major period hoy hetu period ote zaid crops pur kora hoy karon ei crops pure khub beshi sunshine aru wind hojjo koro pare. These plants can tolerate severe sunshine and wind. Examples sorupe jene watermelon, cucumber, bitter gourd. So these are some common examples of zaid crops. So this was all about crop classification based on season. Next video moi aru eta agriculture topic loi anim. Till then, please like and share the video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.